Want to be the person everyone remembers long after they've walked away. Whether it's in a crowded room or just in a quiet conversation, becoming unforgettable isn't as hard as you might think. It's not about trying to stand out. It's about making deep, lasting impressions that linger in people's minds. Leave an emotional impact. People may forget what you say, but they'll never forget how you make them feel. Emotional connections are the key to being unforgettable. When you engage deeply with others, show empathy, or share something vulnerable, you make an impact that sticks. It's about tapping into emotions that resonate with them on a personal level. The more you touch their heart, the harder it is to forget you. Be present in a world full of distractions. Being present is rare, and that's what makes it so powerful. When you're fully focused on someone, giving them your undivided attention, it feels like they're the most important person in the world. People remember those who made them feel seen and heard. Don't just be there physically. Be emotionally and mentally involved too. This makes your presence unforgettable. Be genuine and authentic. There's no greater way to leave an impact than by being authentically yourself. People can sense when you're being real, and when you are, they can't help but remember you. Forget the pretenses. Forget the need to impress. Just be you. When you're unapologetically yourself, you become magnetic. Create memorable moments. Every interaction is an opportunity to create a moment that people will never forget. Whether it's through humor, a kind gesture, or a memorable conversation, find ways to stand out in subtle, meaningful ways. These small moments add up and weave together into an unforgettable experience. It's not about grand gestures, but about the small things that leave a lasting impression. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.